Hello students, today we are going to read a poem of class 9th, Beehive. The title of the poem is Rain on the Roof. It is composed by Coach Skinny. When the sky is covered with dark clouds and it starts raining, have you ever listened to the patter of soft rain on the roof? What thoughts flashed through your mind as you heard this melody of nature? Have you ever listened the sound of the rain, and what are the feelings and thoughts come in your mind? In this poem, the poet tells his feelings and thinking when he hears the sound of the rain falling on his cottage. He heard the sound of the rain from his bed in his cottage. He recollects the memories of his childhood and starts thinking about his mother. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres and the melancholy darkness, the stars of the sky have been covered by clouds, so they are not visible. The darkness is making the poet gloomy or sad. Gently weeps in rainy tears. What a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. When he sees the rain, he becomes emotional and he compares the rain like tears falling from human eyes. It is a bliss to press the pillow and listen the sound. It brings joy for him. Though the rooms of the cottage is small, but the sound of the rain falling on the roof changes his mood and gives him pleasure. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and a thousand dreamy fancies into busy being start, and a thousand recollections weave their air threads into woof. As I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof, when the raindrops fall on the shingles of the roof, and every tinkling sound on the shingle has an echo in the heart of the poet. The sound repeats in his heart and in his imagination. He has many different imagination, and all his imagination starts appearing before his eyes when he hears the sound of the soft rain drops. Thousands of memories come back in his mind, and these memories are not separated, but have formed a patchwork by becoming entwined with one another. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years agone to regard the darling dreamers, ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I list to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Now the poet remembers his mother in his memory. He thinks that in his childhood how her mother used to look at him and his siblings when they slept at night, as she knew that she would not see them again till the next morning. His mother would bend down and look over the poet with love and care. All these memories are arising in the mind of the poet as he listens to the repeated soft sound of the raindrops on the roof. Thank you. Have a nice day.